Zoro.
I'll get stronger!
No.
Stronger than she ever was, you hear me?
Nothing ever changes.
Strong enough that my name reaches up to the heavens!
Defeated, yet you won't
I'll be the world's greatest swordsman, no matter what it takes!
Why not?
I don't know.
I promised
Even
her!
if I retreat a single
The
step,
world's greatest swordsman,
I will be
huh?
shattering that promise.
Well, when it comes to crewmates, as the next king of the pirates, I'll be the
Lose
best!
my honor,
That's what defeat is.
then I won't accept it.
Then you die.
I'd rather die than give up.
Strong-hearted.
I made a promise to
He
my
chooses death before defeat.
captain and best regarded battling swordsmanship.
It's still far too early for you to die.
Solemnly
You're
swear,
strong, but there is much for you to
from
learn.
this moment forward,
Until that day, you must hone your
I'll
skills.
never lose again until the day comes. Whatever it